Welcome to Theory of Computation class. Today class I am going to give an explanation of conversion of CFG to GNF form. There are two normal forms are available. One is Chomsky normal form CNF, which is in two different format. Either production contains only one terminal symbol at right side, otherwise two non-terminal symbol at right side. That is the main format for CNF conversion. But if you go for a GNF construction, that two format of productions are either production contains a single terminal symbol, otherwise a single terminal symbol followed by n number of non-terminals at the right side. So this is only the difference between Chomsky normal form and Gribach normal form. So here this is the definition for GNF. Every context-free language L without epsilon can be generated by a grammar which contain for production in the format of A implies small a alpha, otherwise A implies A, where A is a variable, small a is a terminal, and alpha is contained as set of variables. Then what is the main aim for conversion of GNF means? First we should check whether the grammar is in a simplified format or not. If it is a simplified format, then we should check the production should be in a CNF form. That means all the production should be either the right side of each production should have two non-terminal symbols, otherwise a single terminal symbols in it. So all production should be in a CNF form. Then only we can able to construct a GNF notation. Then these are all the three different cases for construction of GNF format. So if we consider several non-terminal symbols in a given normal form, we should substitute it as A1, A2, A3 like that. Where here the generalized form is AI implies AJ comma. Here where I and J are represented as integers. There are three different cases are there. Case 1 is if I is less than J, we should accept that production for further construction of GNF. So we are not disturbing the production which is in the format of AI implies AJ gamma where I is less than J. So we take that production as it is. Suppose in a case 2, if I value is greater than J, then we should substitute the Jth production in AI notations. So this is case 2. For case 3, if I and J values are equal, we should format the production in the format as A implies AJ gamma by beta. So if I and J values are equal and the production is in A implies AJ gamma by beta, then this single production will be converted into two different formats. The first format is AI implies beta BI by beta. Here BI is a new non-terminal symbol which will be introduced in this format. And then BI implies gamma BI by gamma. So this should be an important rule for I and J values are equal. So depending upon these three rules, we should construct a GNF format. Then this is the given problem. Construct a GNF from the given format. So step 1 is we should check whether the grammar is a simplified CFG format or not. So we already know that simplified CFG contains elimination of epsilon production, elimination of unit production, and elimination of useless symbols. So here there is no epsilon production, there is no unit production at its right side, and here S, A and B are non-terminals and these some notations are available. So it is already in a generalized form. I just modify that. The notation is A. So it is not B, this is A. So just please change it. So here S contains a terminal symbol, capital A contains some terminal symbol in it. So it is already in a, so the given grammar is already in a simplified CFG format. And step 2, CNF format checking. That means chunky normal form checking. What is the chunky normal form notation? Capital A implies small a, otherwise capital A implies some non-terminals. So we just write the given production separately. The first production is S implies capital A, S implies small a, capital A implies SS, capital A implies B. So here the production number 1 and 3 is in two non-terminal format. Production number 2 and 4 are in single terminal symbol format. So it is in CNF form. So after checking step 1 and step 2 only, we should go for GNF formation. So in step 3, consider the variables in a given grammar. There are two variables are available. So I am taking S as A1 and A as A2, where 1 and 2 are like ij values. So already know that in a CFG rule, I and j will be considered as integers. So here instead of S I am substituting A1, instead of A I am substituting A2. So the productions, these are all the given productions. So this will be changed as the first production is A1 implies A2 by A. That means I combine the first two productions. This is equation number 1. And then I combine third and 4 because these two productions contain the same non-terminal symbol at its right side. So instead of capital A, I should use A2. So A2 implies S value is A1 by B. So this is rule number 2. So consider equation 1. Equation 1 left side value will be treated as I. So I value is 1. Right side first symbol value will be taken as j, so that value is 2. So here I value is less than j. So it is like case 1. So what is case 1 means? If I is less than j, accept that production for GNF construction. So I am taking this equation number 1 as it is for GNF construction. Then to go for equation 2 is A2 implies A1 by 2. This is equation number 2. Here I value is 2, j value is 1. So I is greater than j. It is case 2. If I is greater than j, we should substitute aj value. So what is aj? Here aj is a1. A1 means you should substitute the equation number 1. So you should substitute equation number 1 in ith production. Ith production means I value is 2. So A2 is equation 2. So you write the equation 2 once again here. A2 implies A1 by B. So A2 implies instead of only the first symbol, we should replace with its production. So here A1 contains two productions. So I should write these two productions here. The first production of A1 is A2. Then the second production is small a. So I am writing those two productions. So instead of single A1, there are two productions are available. The remaining symbol is A1 that should be written at right side of those two productions. So instead of this single production, two productions will be produced, and then the remaining production is B. So this is the modified production. So I am taking the modified production as 3. Here I value is 2, j value is 2. So it is like case 3. So what is case 3? If I equal to j and a production is like I implies aj gamma by beta, then there are two production will be formed. AI implies beta bi by beta. Bi implies gamma bi by gamma. So this is the new rule. So I want to apply this new rule in equation number 3. So how can we calculate the AI, AJ, gamma, beta value? So once again I am writing the third equation. So the third equation is A2, A1. A2 beta B. So this is equation number 3. So it is AI value, it is AJ value. The remaining values will be considered as gamma. Then you take the first symbol. If the first symbol is a terminal symbol, all the symbols of that production will be considered as beta. So this is beta, and the second production is also beta. So for differentiating these two values, I am taking it as beta 1, beta 2. So my production is in this format. AI implies AJ gamma by beta 1, beta 2. So what is your rule? AI. AI means A2 value. What is beta value? Two beta values are there. First beta value is A2. Second beta value is B. So beta BI. So BI means you should use capital B. What is your I value? I value is 2. So I am writing it as this one. So beta 1 BI. This is beta 2 BI by beta 1 beta 2. What is your first beta 1 value? Beta 1 value is A2. Beta 2 value is B. So this is equation number 4. And BI, that means beta, implies gamma. What is your gamma value? A2, A1. Gamma BI by gamma. So the third equation will be changed as like this. So in step 4, I want to construct a GNF format. The equation number 1 is A1 implies A2 by A. This is equation number 1. Then equation number 2 will be changed as 3, and by applying this rule, this will be changed as 2 equations 4 and 5. So I am writing those equations. A2 implies A2 B2 by B2 by A2 by B. This is equation number 4. And B2 implies A2 A1 B2 divided by A2 A1. This is equation number 5. So if you consider these 3 equations, at least one production should be in a GNF format. So what is your GNF format? So GNF format means either it contains only single terminal symbol, otherwise single terminal symbol followed by n number of non-terminal symbols. So this will be the GNF format. So consider equation 1, it is not in GNF form. Consider equation 2, so the first symbol is terminal followed by 2 non-terminals. Second production contains also single terminal followed by non-terminal. Third one is also like that. Fourth one is a single terminal symbol. So equation 4 is in GNF form. Then what should we do means, we should substitute this fourth equation to either 1 or 5. So you just consider what is the fourth production left side value, it is A2. Then we should check whether A2 is present at right side first value. So in equation 1, A2 will be available as the first symbol. In equation 5 also it will be available as the first symbol. So we should substitute those values. So once again I am writing the same notation. A1 implies A2 by A. This is equation number 1. And A2 implies small a, A2 B2, small a, A2 B2 and B B2 and A2 by B. This is equation number 4. And equation number 5 is B2 implies A2 A1 B2 divided by A2 A1. This is equation number 5. Is it correct? Yes. So substitute. The fourth equation is in GNF form. So I am substituting equation 4 in equation 1. So I am writing the equation 1. A1 implies A2 by A. So instead of first symbol, I should substitute how many productions? This A2 contains 4 productions. So I am writing all those values. The first value is A, A2, B2. Second value is B, B2. Third value is A, A2. And fourth value is B. So instead of A2, I am writing 4 different productions. The remaining symbols are only A2. So that will be written at right end. So instead of this one production, 4 productions will be produced. The remaining symbol is A. So this is the new equation number 6. So consider this production. All 4 productions contain single terminal symbol followed by non-terminals. So totally 5 productions are available. So it is also in GNF form. Then we should substitute equation 4 in equation 5. So this is the 5th equation. So I am writing the 5th equation once again here. B2 implies A2, A1, B2 by A2, A1. This is the 5th equation. So I should substitute A2 value 2 times. So A2 contains 4 productions. So here I am substituting value for the first one. So the first one is A, A2, B2, B, B2, A, A2, B. The remaining values in first production is A1, B2. So you write these A1, B2 in all the productions at right side. So this is the replacement of first production. In second production also A2 is available. So for a single A2 there are 4 productions are available. You write it A, A2, B2, B, B2, A, A2, B. The remaining symbols in second production of equation 1 is A1, that should be written at right end. So this is substitution. This is equation number 6. So it is in GNF form. Consider this 6th equation. This is 7th equation. Equation number 7. It is also in GNF form. Equation 4 is also in GNF form. So therefore CNF format equations are equation number 4, 6 and 7. So this is the answer for GNF construction. Thank you.